Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. Students, in last lecture we did question number 8 from past papers of coordinate geometry. Today we are going to start question number 9. This question came in October-November 2015, paper 2-1 and 2-2. Let's have a look. Question number 9. Solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. Two points A and B have coordinates -3, 2 and 9, 8 respectively. Find the coordinate of C, the point where the line AB cuts the y-axis. So first we have to write coordinates of A, which is given in the question, -3, 2, coordinate of B, which is given 9, 8. Part number 1 says find the coordinate of C, the point where the line AB cuts the y-axis. So first we have to find the line of AB. In order to find the line of AB, we need the gradient of AB. I always represent the gradient by small m. So gradient of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus plus x1. 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 plus 3 is 12, 6 2s are 12. So the gradient is 1 upon 2. Now we are using equation y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So you can take any one of the coordinate A or B. So I am taking A. So y minus y1 is 2 is equals to m times 1 upon 2 x minus x1. x1 is -3, so minus plus 3. So 2 into y is 2y, 2 to the 4 is equals to x plus 3. So 2y minus x is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7. This is the answer of part number 1. Hope you understand. Now let's have a look part number 2. What is part number 2? Find the coordinates. Sorry, I forgot something. One thing I forgot. Sorry for this. Student, the question is find the coordinate of C, the point where the line AB cuts the y-axis. So I just find the line AB. Now we are going to find the coordinates of C. Very easy. When the line cuts the y-axis, the value of x is 0. So 2y minus 0 is equals to 7. And y is equals to 7 upon 2. Hence the coordinate of C are 0, 7 upon 2. I am sorry, this is the final answer. This is not. Move to part number 2. What is part number 2? Find the coordinates of D, the midpoint of AB. Very easy. We have coordinate of A is -3, 2. Coordinate of B 9, 8. Therefore the coordinate of DR, we will use midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. So coordinates of DR, 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 upon 2 is 5. So 3, 5 is the final answer. So part 1 and part 2 both are very easy. Now move to part number 3. What is part number 3? Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have gradient of AB, which we have find in part number 1. In order to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector, we must have the perpendicular gradient. So this is the symbol of perpendicular So if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is -1. So if the gradient of 1 upon 2 of the line AB, then the perpendicular bisector gradient should be negative reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is -2. And we have already find the midpoint of AB in previous part, that is 3, 5. So by using 3, 5 and the midpoint, we can easily find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 5 is equals to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus minus plus 6. Y plus 6 is y plus 2x is equals to 6 plus 5 is 11. The final answer is y plus 2x is equals to 11. Move to part number 4. The perpendicular bisector of AB cuts the y-axis at the point E. Find the coordinates of E. Again, very easy part. So we have equation of perpendicular bisector in previous part, that is y plus 2x is equals to 11. This perpendicular bisector cuts the y-axis at the point E. So when the line cuts the y-axis, the value of x must be 0. Therefore, the coordinates of E are x0 and y11. So very easy part. I hope you completely understand all parts number 1 and 4. Move to next part. The next part is show that the area of triangle ABE is 4 times the area of triangle ECD. So first we have to write the coordinates of A, which is -3, 2, coordinates of B, which is 9, 8, coordinates of E, which is 0, 11. Now find the area of triangle A, B, E. We will use the general formula of area of triangle: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and x1, y1. -3, 8, 9, 11, 0, 2. -3, 8 is 20, -24, 9, 11 is 99, and 0, 2 is 0. Bracket close, put negative sign, bracket open. 2 9s are 18, 8 zeros are 0, 11 threes are 33. Bracket close. 99 minus 24 is 75. 18 minus 33 is -15, minus plus 15. 75 plus 15 is 90. And 90 upon 2 is 45 square units. This is the area of triangle ABE. Now we are going to find the area of triangle ECD. So we have to write the coordinate of ECD. E is 0, 11. C we have find 0, 7 upon 2, and D 35. So 1 upon 2, 0, 11, 0, 7 upon 2, 3, 5 and 0, 11. 1 upon 2, 0 by 7 upon 2, 0 by 5, 3 by 11. 0 into 7 upon 2 is 0, 0 into 5 is 0, 3 11s are 33. Bracket close. Minus 11 into 0 is 0, plus 7 upon 2 into 3 is 21 upon 2, 5 into 0 is 0, 1 upon 2, 33, minus 21 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and 33 minus 21 upon 2 is 45 upon 2, or 45 2 2s are 4, 45 square units. So we have done the work. Area of triangle EABE is equals to 4 times area of triangle ECD, that is 45 upon 4. So 4 cancel by 4, 45, which is exactly the value of area of triangle ABE. Proved. So very easy question. There are 5 parts and we have done all the parts. I hope you completely understand all parts of question number 9. So today we have finished past papers till 2015, 2012 to 2015, all variants, paper 1 and paper number 2. We will do from next lecture with new topic. So I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.